My name is Caitlin and I'm the rostering coordinator at BlueWing. A rostering coordinator does the rostering for all our core services, so community access, still houses, self-care. So I'm organising workers to go to the clients' houses and complete their core services. I also go out and do visits with our clients just to make sure that they're getting their goals fulfilled correctly. I am working at BlueWing just to provide the care and to make sure that the clients are actually the goals are being fulfilled. To make sure that they're getting the care that they need, being supported, and they're not left to fend for themselves. BlueWing's a good company because they make you feel like you've actually got a purpose in your role. So it's not like you're just shafted to the side. It's everyone has a purpose. Everyone being themselves is what creates BlueWing. So you actually get a sense of fulfillment working here.